Hey, welcome back to another episode of college algebra. So this is your host Romel with the Jack's Tutor. So today we're doing PEMDAS. We trying to find, we have an expression. We're trying to find a solution for the expression. We're trying to find what we're trying to solve this expression to find a number that corresponds to whatever they give us here as the expression. So we have 6 divided by 2 minus 81 divided by 3 squared inside of a parenthesis. So let me remind you, in PEMDAS, the P stands for parentheses, E exponent, M multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So these two sets, multiplication and division, usually you want to do them from left to right. So let's say you had 2 divided by 5 divided by 6, multiplied by 6. You would, if there was no parentheses involved, you do them from left to right. And the same thing with addition and subtractions too, from left to right, if there is no parentheses involved. So that's a note for something else. So let's jump in and do this one. So we're gonna go inside of the parentheses. Let's put in what we had here: 2 divided by 6. 6 divided by 2 minus. We're gonna go inside of the parentheses. So we're gonna put 81. The exponent we inside of the parentheses. Now we go do the exponent first after the parentheses. So with the exponent, 3 squared is 9. So we inside of the parentheses, we're solving the exponent. 3 squared is 9. So 6 divided by 2 again minus 81 divided by 9 is what? Is 9. Yeah. So what is 6? So now we're going to do multiplications and divisions because there's no parentheses, there's no exponents. So we're going to do multiplication and division. So what's 6 divided by, what is 6 divided by 2? 6 divided by 2 is 3 minus 9. What is 3 minus 9? Negative 6. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with someone that you know that's my help. Even though this is college algebra here, this is algebra for any class. You're taking algebra 1, you'll see that. Algebra 2, sometimes you might see that. Thank you very much for your time. Bye.